and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another Starbucks refresher for you. So this is going to be another Very Berry Hibiscus Refresher, but done a little bit differently. So before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So if you haven't seen my original video, I'll make sure to link it up right here so you can check it out. But this one's going to be a little bit different. So we're not going to be using the freeze-dried hibiscus leaves or flowers in this video, and we're not just going to be using water. We're going to be adding some white grape juice. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is same thing as the other recipe. Go ahead, boil some water with your hibiscus tea and just have that ready to go. So the only other thing that you're going to need is your white grape juice, some blackberries, so excited, and some green coffee bean powder. That's what Starbucks uses as their source of their caffeine. So I'm just going to clean this up a bit and then we'll get started. Okay, so just to make this video go by a little bit quicker, I already, like I had said before, made our just hibiscus tea, just boiled some water, added a tea bag, done. So we have that ready here. Now all you're going to want to do is, just as always, you're going to want to add some liquid to whatever powder that you're using. So I have the white grape juice with the green coffee bean extract. So we're just going to want to mix this up to kind of dissolve it a little bit because we don't want chunks of anything in our drink because that's pretty nasty. So depending on how much water you put in here, this might take a minute or two, or this might be really quick. Okay, so we're just going to add this on into our drink, and then we're going to add in our white grape juice. Look at that color, you guys. And then, last but not least, our fresh blackberries. Are you kidding me? Okay guys, so I have my little setup here. I'm so excited to try this one. Nailed it. Oh, this one is so good. I'm obsessed. So if you liked the original recipe, this is just gonna oomph it up a little bit more, make it a little bit more sweet, and give it just that little taste of something different with that juice. But the other one is just as good if you want something just more classic, the plain hibiscus tea with just some water and that amazing syrup. But let me know in the comment section which one you guys liked more. The first one where we took the freeze-dried hibiscus flowers and made a nice simple syrup and sweetened it that way, or if you like this one where you just add the white grape juice inside, so a nice little juicy flavor. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!